Chapter 2, Mathematical Language and Symbols. First part, we have Mathematics as a Language. Before we begin, let me ask you, do you find it difficult to understand mathematics? If yes, then maybe one reason is that you didn't really understand the language of mathematics. Just like looking at characters you don't understand or talking to someone with different language. That is why it is very important to fully understand the basic ABCs of a mathematical language. Some classification of symbols in mathematics are numbers, like real numbers, rational, irrational, integers, whole numbers, and natural numbers. Operation symbols, plus, minus, times, divide, exponential. Then we also have relation symbols, inequality, equal, similar, congruent, approximate. Grouping symbols and variables. Set theory symbols, those symbols that are used in the study of sets. Logic symbols that will be further discussed in the later part of the chapter. Then we have statistical symbols, mean, median, standard deviation, summation, and factorial. If you can recall, factorial is the product of all positive integers less than or equal to the number. For example, 4 factorial is equivalent to 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is equal to 24. Just like the English language, mathematics has mathematical expression and sentences. Mathematical expression is the combination of symbols, operations, or numbers which does not state a complete thought, while mathematical sentence states a complete thought, usually with the use of relation symbols. Next, type of sentences. First, we have open sentence, a sentence that uses variables. Thus, it is not known if the statement is true or false. But if it is, then it is a closed sentence. Example, number 1. 8 is a prime number. This statement is obviously false, so it is a closed sentence. Number 2. 3 plus 5y equals 1. This involves a variable, so it is an open sentence. Number 3. 11 minus 5 equals 7 plus 2. This one is a closed sentence. Number 4. 6 minus x equals 5 is an open sentence. Number 5. The square root of 4x is 2 is an open sentence. And that's the end of chapter 2.1.